welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrack Sasquatch package. And during this highway POV test drive, we're probably going to go very mild handling test. Just always want to be careful with these off-roaders. And then we're going to test the lane keep assist and the cruise control and lane keep assist. That's what I meant to say. And yeah, then we're just gonna cruise a little bit and see how it is to drive this Bronco on the highway. But if you want to hear all my thoughts, make sure to check out the full review I made about this Bronco in the top right-hand corner, where we go more in detail. But let's switch into the sport goat mode. Okay. Shifting into 4 high for that. Well, 4 auto. Then we can go. Like I said, we want to be careful in these off-roaders. They're not really made for this. And, well, there we go. There's the understeer. I don't know if that translated on video. But it was very sudden. Then we got some tire squealing. We're on off-road tires. They're not meant for this. But, decent. Still decent, I would say. Of course, not comparable to regular SUVs or crossovers. But still. Okay, let's turn her into normal mode, going back to 2 high for that. Now we want to enable lane keep assist. Lane keep assist on. And now we're just going to drift out on the right hand side and going to see what the car does. Vibrates the wheel, it alerts us, but it doesn't interfere. And it shows us that we're outside of the lane. So it's a passive system. Just kind of... it just kind of vibrates a little and shows us what's going on. Not really a kind of system I like, really. I mean, this is still better than nothing, I guess, if you're tired and have to drive and can't take a break or anything. But I don't know. I don't really have much use out of those systems. We do have cruise control, of course, and adaptive cruise control. We're not quite in much traffic here right now, so not much I can really do in terms of the adaptive part. I can just tell you I've tested it before as an adaptive cruise control system, and it works just fine. It realizes cars ahead, sees them, and adapts the speed. Not abruptly, so it's decently smooth. No, well, it's an adaptive cruise control system. Really, these days, there's not I haven't tested a bad adaptive cruise control system. But still, we always test them, so here we go. No steering assist, nothing like that. No lane centering assist available. Okay, let's turn that off. You can hear the the wind noise, which are quite pronounced here in the Bronco on the highway. But we'll talk, like I said, more about that in the full-on review. I will just be quiet for about a minute or two, so you can see and hear for yourself how it is to drive the Bronco without me interfering. Okay, we do have 2 more POV test drives about this Bronco. One at night, where we test the headlights, the high beams, the high beam assist, as well as do a little launch. Then we also have a city POV test drive where we do like a teeny tiny bit of off-roading actually. And we also test kind of like the smoothness of the drivetrain and how it is to drive like stop and go traffic. And of course, like I already mentioned, we do have a full review about this Bronco. Should be somewhere on your screen now or just in a few seconds. And yeah, but we talk about everything from the exterior, the interior, how it drives, and comparing it to the Wrangler as its main competitor. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because I upload videos every single week about all sorts of cars, from budget cars to luxury cars, sports cars and trucks, and off-roaders and everything in between. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.